Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Emily, and in today's video we're going to be going through Taskade. Taskade is an all-in-one project manager and task planner, so it's basically such a powerful app where you can plan everything in your life from projects to daily life, and that's why I like this app so much. So in this video we're going to be going through my first impressions and a walkthrough of this app, so let's get into it. But before we start, a huge thank you to Taskade for sponsoring this video. I know one of my biggest issues with planning in general is just like the disorder and disorganization of it all. It's so hard to find one that fits you and like one that works and one that can just do everything all in one, but not until I found Taskade, which is basically everything all in one. So that's what I really like about this app. Before, I was like switching with different planning systems and like trying different apps, like sometimes even jotting down things on random pieces of paper all over the place. Extremely disorganized and not a good planning system for keeping me all in one place. But Taskade does this all for you and it's super easy to use. So shall we get into how to use it?
Taskade is super easy to use and download. They even have a Chrome extension which you can add to your browser. And here I'm going to download the MacBook app, but you can download for whatever computer you have, and it's available on Android, Apple, Microsoft. You can use it on your cell phone on the go. I use it on my Android or my iPhone. It doesn't really matter. You can even try it on your iPad too and your computer. So first, when you download, you'll want to click on Guide to Taskade. It'll bring you here and it'll show you the essentials of basically how to use it. It's very easy to use and simple to get started with. You can like drag and drop icons. It's a task to-do list, so it's very simple to use. What I like about it is all these features, so you can add like a due date to your task when it's due. You can even have different people inside and assign them tasks because it's a project manager, and even upload a bunch of documents, attach items. Very intuitive and all around a very powerful app. So they next have multiplayer and like templates too, and they just have a bunch of things. So what I'm going to do is show you how to create a new workspace. You just click here and like type in the name of whatever you want to call. I'm going to be calling it Daily To-Do List because that's what I use Taskade for. And you can also invite people over to use it with you if you want to. Just type in their email or whatever, but since this is my to-do list, I'm not going to share it with anyone. So once you click new, you'll be guided here, and they have all these different pre-made templates. So this weekly planner, which I really like because it's just simple, clean, and easy to use. They also have meeting agendas, so if you're having a meeting and you want to write down some notes about what just happened. And they have a project board, so let's say you're working on a project and you have a bunch of tasks. And then they have a mind map, and then they all have a bunch of templates which are on this like community featured board, and you can just look around and see what would fit you, and they're all free, so you just download them really easily, and it's so simple to use, and there are tons of ways to customize it to your own needs. But since I'm using this as a to-do list, I clicked on the weekly planner, and then you tap to create it. And once you're in here, you can just add in your tasks. It's super simple to use, and like I use this to plan out my weekly to-do list. Every week you just write down what you have to do, and it'll also give you reminders and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you next how to like customize things. For example, I had a doctor's appointment, so you can just write the date down and click it, and it'll be automatically given there, and you can find it inside your calendar, which is over here, and it'll write down all your list of things to do. Not to mention, you can also turn on reminders so you get an email every time you have a task due or a notification. What I also love about Taskade is how, let's say you're making a weekly planner and you didn't really like how the format was, you can go ahead and click in the corner. There's this little button where you can change the layout of it, so you can change it to, let's say, a board in the corner, and it'll change it to like a horizontal view, And then let's say you didn't like that either, they have an action board which will change like the layout, and it like automatically syncs so you don't have to do any of this. I also think the mind map is really cool, so it'll sort out your days into like a sort of mind map, and they have like an organization chart. And when a new week comes, all I do is just create a new template and label it as the week. Super simple and easy to keep track of everything all in one place. Taskade is also open to tons of customization. So for example, here you can change the emoji or symbol it has in the corner so it can be nice and cute when you open it, and it just fits your nice aesthetic. And you can also do this with workspaces and colors, all of that stuff. Plus, you can also go around and play with the color of the background. So I have currently blue, but you can do green. You can upload your own picture, do random things, anything you want really.
So my overall impressions of the app, it's that it's like stunningly intuitive and it lets you do everything all in one place. I have like literally never found anything that works this well until I found Taskade. If you want powerful organization, yeah, everything in all in one place, I highly suggest you check out Taskade. So huge thank you to Taskade again for sponsoring this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day guys. Bye bye!